Garvee pop-up tent. You will be amazed at how easy this is to put up and take down. I do want to show you while I have it up, because I'm going to take it down and put it up, and you're going to see how quick it is. Each one of these does have a panel, so we can take these panels on and off very easily, just like this. They Velcro on. And like I said, each one has one. So now to take it down is actually really easy. I'll go inside, and what you do is you start with the top, okay? So it's in reverse. So oh no, this actually has a hook, so you can hang something up there. So to get it, take it down, we're gonna pull this down. All right, now I'm gonna go around, and we're gonna pop each one of these sides in. Pop it in, pop it in, pop it in, pop it in. And then this is how you fold it up, okay? So this is basically the tent. It does fit into this bag, and it has ties. So, you know, I think you understand, you basically tie this together. Now, to put it back together, or put it up, this right here kind of shows you where the center of it's gonna be, right? So that's the center. And then what I can do is let it kind of open up. And what I'm gonna do is now go around opposite. I'm gonna pull up all the sides. So pull this side up. I'm gonna pull this side up. Pull this side up. Pull this side up. Hey, and if I wanted to do this faster, I probably could. Pull that side up. All right, now all the walls are up. You go inside, and we push it up. And now it's up. There's room for all kinds of activities. It comes with stakes, so you can stake this down. Like I said, each wall comes with, you know, a cover, so you can cover it up. And it comes with a carrying bag. You have to install poles here at the doors, but no big deal. You just put them in later. And if you don't want that, you can have the air come in, keep the bugs out. So this is the Garvee pop-up tent. It's awesome. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah, I like it. You can also close this up. So you could basically take this as a camping tent. I don't see any issue with that. You know, it doesn't have the bottom, but it's nice. It also has a skirt on the outside as well. So this is where you stake it down, but then it has a skirt, which I thought was interesting. I've never seen this before, all the way around. So there you go, that's it. And like we said, to take it down, it's just the opposite. Boom, and then just push this in. So this is the Garvee pop-up tent. We're good.